Hey guys, look what I was blessed with today. Fresh out of his garden, the one and only Rickey Smiley. The other day I was watching a video that he posted about making chicken and dumplings, and I wanted to ask for some so bad, but I didn't. And guess what? I got a message from him saying that he had something for me, but I didn't know what it was because he's always blessing me with things. If it's something pertaining to my business, cake pans, or whatever, the list goes on and I'm appreciative. So, from his garden, here we have some tomatoes and some bell peppers and some jalapeno peppers. It's a little red one in there somewhere. Oh, there she is. I know she's hot. And some cherry tomatoes. How awesome it is to be thought of. I just want to say thank you so much, Rickey.